In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce core templates without messing up your site. This process can seem a bit daunting, but if you follow along carefully, you'll see that it's quite manageable. So, let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to wordpress.com, which is your starting point for accessing your website's backend. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in wordpress.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in, typically located at the top right corner. Click on that. It's important to ensure you have your login credentials on hand, usernames, passwords, so you can smoothly proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your website, where you can manage posts, pages, and plugins. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with it if you're not already comfortable navigating this space. It offers a range of features, but today we'll focus on updating WooCommerce templates. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard, look on the sidebar for WooCommerce. Depending on your setup, there might be a menu item labeled WooCommerce or Plugins. Click on it. Following that, there will be a submenu where you'll find Templates. Go ahead and click on Templates. This area provides you access to the core files that WooCommerce uses to render your online store's pages. Now, this step is crucial. Before making any changes to your templates, always remember to back up your site. Backing up is a safety net in case anything goes awry during the template update process. Many hosting services offer one-click backups, or you can use a plugin specifically for this purpose. Once your backup is complete, you're ready to move forward. With the backup safely stored, take a look at the Templates section. Here you'll see some templates listed as outdated. This indicates these templates need updating to align with the latest WooCommerce version. Click on the template files indicated as outdated. You need to carefully merge changes from the newer WooCommerce templates into your current ones, maintaining any customizations you've previously made. This might require some coding knowledge, so if you're not comfortable making these changes yourself, consider reaching out to someone with development experience. Finally, after you've updated the necessary template files, ensure to check your site. Navigate through different pages and functionalities to confirm everything is running smoothly. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, revisit the templates to troubleshoot or restore from your backup if needed. In summary, updating your WooCommerce templates is straightforward if approached carefully. Remember, back up, review the outdated templates, make the necessary updates, and test. Adhering to these steps will ensure a seamless update without disrupting your site's functionality. That's it for today's tutorial. Happy updating!